I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and these are my power shoes. Now, power shoes are unlike any other pair of shoes. They contain magical powers that will help empower you too. Now, these shoes are really special. You can customize them with all kinds of themed items such as power patches, power pieces, and power charms. And all of those customizable items come in 6 Power Pack themes to choose from, like Sparkly Unicorn Power, Brave Superhero Power, Super Sweet Candy Power, Mighty Dinosaur Power, Famous Superstar Power, and Birthday Party Celebration Power. Now, power shoes work like this. Each Power Pack themed set contains power patches, which designate the shoe's powers, then power pieces, which energize the shoe's powers. And lastly, there are 2 power charms, which will activate the shoe's powers. And when customized, slip them on and you too will be empowered with whatever power you choose. You can even mix and match Power Pack themes to create unique super power shoes. I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I'm going to show you how power shoes work.
Power up my power shoes.
This is the Power Shoes box, and it's a bit special. Let's look inside and find out. As you can see, when you open the box top lays flat like this, and there's a special Velcro panel inside. I'll explain more about that in a minute. But the most important part is, of course, the power shoes themselves. Let's put the shoes aside and I'll show you what else comes in the box. Now, inside the box comes this Velcro display panel, and you can use this to display all of your patches and charms and pieces, and they also help to keep them energized. Plus, it's a good way to keep them all safe so they won't get lost. So included on the panel come 2 Mr. Shy Guy Power Shoes patches, and those will let everyone know that you're powered up with power shoes. You also get 2 power bands. Now, power bands are optional for you to use to help customize the fit of your shoe. I'll show you how they work. So let's take one of the shoes and one of the power bands. Now, what you do is just put them on one side of the shoe and then pull over and tighten the shoe like that, and then push down, and they will customize to the size of your foot. So you'll want to do this when the shoes are on your foot so you can customize them to exactly how they'll fit. The power bands are also great because look how sporty they make your shoe look. You also get 4 Power Star patches. Those will help boost the energy in your shoe. And lastly, you get 2 Power Star charms. Those will activate any power that you can come up with. Let's put one on. And each shoe will need at least 1 power charm to activate the shoe's powers. So what else that comes in the box is this explainer sheet that explains exactly how to use the Mr. Shy Guy Power Shoes, and on the back are all of the Power Pack themes available. Also, one of my favorite things that comes with the Power Shoes are this awesome sticker pack. Now, the stickers are a bunch of the items that come with the different Power Pack themes, and you can use the stickers to decorate and energize your Power Shoes box. I just love stickers, don't you? And you also get this coloring sheet where you can design and create your own power shoe theme. You can use crayons, markers, or even the stickers from the sticker sheet to create whatever power you want. Then hang it on the wall for all of your friends to see. Plus, have your parents post and share them with us for a chance to win Power Shoe of the Month Club. You can win a free Power Pack theme. I can't wait to see the powers you come up with. And lastly, on the other side is a signed autograph by me. I actually signed every single one of them for you. And this photo is of me using superstar powers on stage singing my song, Don't Be Shy. It's one of my favorite songs, so you should definitely check out my music video for it. And since we're talking about superstar powers, I want to show you how to use one of my favorite power packs to customize your power shoes. So I'll show you what's inside the pack. Since I was a kid, I always wanted to be a famous superstar performing in front of thousands of fans. And this power pack will help give me that confident superstar power. So all Power Pack themes have different decoration items inside, but I'll show you what's in the Superstar one. Also, each Power Pack theme comes with its own set of stickers so you can decorate and energize your Power Pack box. So as I mentioned, you get power patches, which designate the shoe's powers. And in this one, you get the red Rockstar guitar, the Superstar sign to tell everyone you're a superstar, and of course the Superstar microphones. You get 2 of every power patch so you can decorate both shoes with them. You also get smaller items called power pieces, and power pieces are what energize the shoe's powers. In this pack, you get 8 gold shining stars. You also get 8 shimmering gold and silver stars. because every rock star needs a bit of shine on stage. This pack also comes with 4 power crystals that will help super energize your shoes' powers. There's a star inside the power crystals, and that's where they get their energy boosting powers from. Power crystals are actually really powerful, and they contain all kinds of special powers. There's even a crystal power pack full of all types of different colored crystals, each containing their own unique energy powers. So let's design these power shoes. So the first thing that I like to start with are the power patches. Let's put the power there. We'll put the Rockstar guitar on the side here. So there, all the power patches are on the shoe. Now the shoes are designated with superstar powers. Let's add the power pieces to energize the shoe's powers. Put some gold stars here, gold star there, flip it over. Let's put the gold star here, and another gold star here. Now let's add some of those glitter star power pieces. Put one here, and one there. Now here's a tip. To really get all the pieces to stick, put them on the shoe, then slightly turn them. That will help lock them into place to make sure they're nice and tight on the shoe. Also, I like to try to avoid putting pieces where the shoes bend. See right there how it bends? So let's move that over. See, now the shoe can bend freely and won't get stuck in the crease. And look how easy it is to change the design of your shoe if you don't like where you placed them. You just pull them off and switch the items, lock them, turn to lock, and see, it's super easy to redesign them whenever you feel like. And let's put on the power crystals to really boost the shoe's energy. Let's put the power crystal right there. Perfect. And the other side. Let's put the power crystal on the back. Press, turn to lock. Now let's decorate the other shoe. So let's start with this one. We'll do the guitar. Put the guitar right there. Perfect. Let's do the superstar patch on the front, like that. So now everyone can see you're a superstar. And then on this side, let's do the microphone, like that. Let's add some more power pieces. Do a star, remember, avoid the crease if you can. There. Let's do another star right next to the microphone. And let's push down some of the other ones. And you could turn all the patches too to really get them to stick, because you do not want to lose any of the patches or pieces or charms or anything. Let's add another star. We'll do it right here. Perfect. Let's add a star here. Let's put the star in the back like that. It's so easy to redesign or change whenever you want to. Do a star, how about up top here? Turn to lock. Do a gold star here, turn to lock. Let's add another power crystal to this side, turn to lock. Turn around to the other side. Let's add this power crystal to the front, here, turn to lock. Do a star up here, and a star here. Perfect, this one's designed and ready to go. So now that the shoes are designed and energized, we need to activate them with special power charms. For the Superstar Power Pack, we have 2 Gold Star Power Charms with a little microphone inside. So let's add one to each shoe. So I like to put the power charms either on the back of the shoe or on the tongue of the shoe. So let's put this one on the back. And then bend it and give it a slight turn so it really locks it into place. You see? I sometimes like to put them on the back of the shoe so they dangle when you walk. Another great place to put the power charms are on the tongue of the shoe. And when you put them on the tongue, you'll be able to look down and see them dangle on your foot. So this one's on the tongue of the shoe, and this one is on the heel of the shoe. Either way will work, but now both shoes are activated. And before you slip them on, make sure you press down on everything, give them a slight turn, then that will make sure that they are nice and tight. Now that these power shoes are designed, energized, and activated, slip them on and you too will be energized with superstar powers. You can even mix and match Power Pack themes to create super power shoes. Let's mix in some of the elements from Candy Power Pack to create Super Candy Star Power Shoes. Let's add them. So let's take off a couple of the power pouches first. Let's change this guitar out for a spiral lollipop. Put it there, make sure it's nice and tight. Cool. Let's take this glitter star off and let's add a shiny wrapped candy there. On the back, let's take off one of the stars and we'll add a spiral candy. Turn to tighten. On the other side, let's take off this star and we'll add another spiral candy here. I like the power crystals, so we'll keep those. Let's take off the glitter star on the back and let's put on let's do a blue gummy bear right there. So look how you can mix and match all kind of different power pack themes. Let's do the other shoe. So put that there. And let's take off the superstar theme patch there. And let's add the giant wrapped candy. How about that? Just put it across, tighten it there. And then there's a lot of gold stars, so let's get rid of this gold star here. Put that there. We're gonna add another spiral candy to the toe here. Let's take off this gold star as well. Let's add a yellow gummy bear to the back there. Perfect. How about on the toe? Let's get rid of the microphone. We'll add the giant glow pop there. Let's do a purple gummy bear with a star. Let's move this. Let's turn the guitar that way. See how easy it is to mix and match? It's so fun to do. Let's move the gold star there. Let's put, move the gummy bear there. Let's put another gummy bear on just for fun. Do an orange one right there. Perfect. And then on the back, let's add another power charm because you can never have too much activated energy in the shoe. Really get it there tight on the back of the shoe. Another mix and match super candy star power shoe. And you can literally recreate, redesign as many times as you want until you get the perfect pair for you. And it's so fun to change them all the time. Well, thanks for watching me show you all about my power shoes, and you too can get your own pair of power shoes and power packs at mypowershoes.com. Plus, I have all kinds of music, videos, and fun things for you to check out on the website as well. I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I can't wait to see how you customize your own pair of power shoes. What power will you choose?
Power up my power shoes.